Hello everyone! Join us when we go up to Laxkroksholmarna. It's a windy day, but the camera don't pick it up so well. We think we're going to have good protection in here. But there is another boat there. It's a big boat. It's a 50-foot princess or something. I think we're gonna continue up north to Norra Jutskär. It's pretty shallow in there, but we try it anyway. The wind are going to increase, and tomorrow we're expecting rain and even stronger wind. It is really shallow, and I'm checking the depth meter, but it's not that exact. I think I dropped the anchor far out, so I can drag me backward if it gets too shallow to drive out. I move sideways so I can get the anchor in the right spot. Small pushes forward and let the boat glide slowly. Now we're getting to that point I really want to know how shallow it is. So I take my stick and measure. The bow is now where I'm going to end up with the stern. So if it's deep enough here, I'm going to get in all the way. And that looks like I at least going to try. Let's speed this up a bit. I'm going so slow. But you can see it's really shallow. So far so good, and I have a story to tell from the last time I visited this island. But first we're going to finish this mooring so we don't forget anything. And watch out for the rocks there, they can be slippery. Today it's a bit cloudy. We're expecting rain soon, and it's a harder wind, but it's beautiful to look at that too. What do you think? Is it a beautiful day?
No, it's not.
It's not. It's not the best, but it's what we got. Let's see a tree here. It has been an what do you say, ground fire that has gone up in this tree. Over here for exactly 10 years ago I was passing outside here after a midsummer in Trosa, and I saw this tree was on fire. So I called 112 and took the boat over here and tried to put it out. There were no other trees here 10 years ago. It was this tree, and it was visible from out here. I remember I have no cell phone cover, so I start calling them, and then I have to go back and call again. Then I did pass in here, we can look at it. I were anchored around here, in this shallow area, and the thunder come with a strong wind, and the anchor let loose, and the boat started to drifting down here. Jag tror inte det går att höra vad jag säger. 10 years ago I anchored up here. They had a strong wind like this, so you shouldn't anchor up when they have the wind against the shore. But I anchored on this shallow area, and I know it was not holding that good. So I let the engines running, and then I ran up here to the tree on the other side here and tried to put it out. Then the thunder come, and even stronger wind pushed the boat out, and it started drifting down all the way against the shore here. And I ran up on this hill and saw the boat drifting, and I had to run down around this tree, take my little dinghy and try to get a catch of the boat, and I catch it down here somewhere, jump on and drive up and anchor it again. That was scary.
It's really cool. I can't believe how fast it is.
Yeah.
It feels like I'm just cutting through the water. What do you think, baby? This is nice?
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.